What if the court rejects my divorce forms? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most frustrating things about filing for divorce is having your forms rejected by the court. Unfortunately, it happens all the time, but don't worry, it can be fixed. Let's go over why forms get rejected and how to fix them quickly. Why does the court reject divorce forms? Missing or incorrect information. Even small errors like incorrect dates, missing signatures, or incomplete fields can result in rejection. Improper service of documents. Your spouse must be properly served, and the proof of service, FL 115, must be filed correctly. Financial disclosure errors. If your declaration of disclosure, FL 140, FL 150, isn't properly completed, the court may not approve your final judgment. Issues with the marital settlement agreement. If the agreement is too vague or missing required terms, the judge may reject it. For example, we helped a couple whose divorce was rejected twice due to incorrect financial forms. They had no idea what was wrong. We corrected the mistakes and got their divorce approved within a week. How to fix rejected divorce forms quickly. Carefully review the court's rejection notice. Courts usually list what's wrong, but the wording can be confusing. Fix all mistakes before resubmitting. Double-check that everything is signed, completed, and formatted properly. Use a professional service. If your forms have been rejected multiple times, it's best to let an expert handle them. Repeated rejections can delay your divorce by months. The fastest way to move forward is to fix the mistakes quickly and resubmit the paperwork correctly. At Divorce661, we make it easy. We review and correct all rejected forms so you don't have to. Flat fee pricing, no expensive attorney fees. 100% remote service. We fix and file everything online. If your divorce forms have been rejected by the court, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll fix the mistakes and get your divorce approved without further delays.